Hey everyone, this is the user review here, and today I have a different video. So in front of me I have the Benchmade 51 1801 Balisong. Now this is a Blade HQ exclusive, and I'll show you why it is a Blade HQ exclusive here in a second. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is a fairly new knife. I just saw it post for Benchmade's Instagram, and that was about a week ago. So like I said, it's a fairly new knife, and I had to get it, and I'll tell you the story about how I got it a little bit. So first, let's open this up and we'll show you get inside. Comes a little drawstring baggie. And it's orange. So this is a Blade HQ exclusive, like I said. This does look familiar. This is the Morpho from Benchmade, but there's also another Balisong from Benchmade that's also an exclusive from Blade HQ, and that is the Benchmade 51 1601. So that's going to have the green G10 handles, and it's going to have the blue anodized titanium liners inside. Now, one thing with this knife, this is a bead blasted titanium on the inside. I do like the color combination with this. It's also on the pocket clip here. I'm going to open up and show you the blade. I'm not going to get too much into this because I just got the knife and I haven't had time to really flip it around yet. I'm fairly new to Balisongs. I just got into them about a year ago, and this is my first Benchmade Balisong. I flipped other 51s before, and I loved them, and I knew I had to get one. But I didn't really want the standard 51. I wanted something a little bit different, and I always saw the 1601, the one with the green G10 handles, and I'm not the biggest fan of green, but I am a big fan of orange. And that kind of leads me into how I got this. So I really wanted a BRS replicant, the one with the orange handles and the purple liners on the inside. And I had my post notifications turned on for the next BRS drop, and I had them on for about 6 months. And then I was at work one day and saw that a launch had happened. Well, my post notifications did not alert me of that launch. Don't know why, but still it's kind of on me for not checking other sources. And I go on there and they are all sold out. So I was really mad that I missed it. So I went online and I found this on Blade HQ and I bought it. And then right when this got here yesterday, I got a notification saying that the BRS replicants with the orange handles and the purple liners are back in stock. So it's kind of a rat chase to get this knife, to get the other knife. But, you know, I got this one, and I am not upset whatsoever. I haven't had that much time to flip it around. I've just only looked at it a couple times. But I tell you what, this is a fantastic knife. It's brand new, and it just got on the market, and there's only a limited amount available on Blade HQ. So I just go check them out if you really like this knife. I'll give you a few more close-up shots here. Spring latch. Like I said, I am fairly new to the Balisong community, so I apologize if my terms were not correct, but I'm hoping to grow my knowledge of these knives and grow my collection of these knives. And if you're a veteran or a newcomer just like me, I'd like to see it in the comments below. I love this knife, and maybe you love it too, so I just go check it out. I'm going to start to get flipping this pretty soon, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.